Hi, my name is Solberg. I'm a professor at the Norwegian University of Science and Technology in Trondheim, Norway.
And my name is Steinsbekk and I'm a postdoc at the same university.
Together we have written a paper on consent models in biobank, participation in the sense of involvement and participatory research. Recent years there has been an increase in the literature on these topics, and we wanted to study that literature to see what is the main motivation here, what is the kind of driving forces, what are the arguments for a change in the way biobank research is practiced.
And despite this increased focus on participant engagement, if you look at the real world, it's still a lack of continuous engagement and participation of the individual research participants. It's more of one time and once and for all consent.
And actually that works quite well for the biobank community. So if they are going to change their practice, they need some substantial arguments. So we looked in this literature and made a review of the arguments, tried to categorize them and see what is really the difference between the different arguments, how can we kind of classify them, and then better understand what is the driving force behind this suggested change in practice.
And not only describing and categorizing them, but also trying to see if there is some substantial idea or value behind some of them that we need to listen to, so that large-scale biobanks need to change in their participant involvement.
We came up with 4 different categories. We are not going to reveal them here and now, so you can read the paper. But we can just say that the conclusion is that we certainly need to take this literature seriously and the arguments seriously. There are substantial arguments for a change here, and we think this topic will become more and more prominent in the biobank discussions in the coming years.